Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Friday, January 17th, 2020. So I only traded one stock today, and that was Pinterest, P-I-N-S, and this is coming off a news catalyst of a price target upgrade from one of the investment banks. So we see on the daily chart slightly gapping up from about under 20, close to $23, and then we look at it in the pre-market here. Got up right before actually it opened to around 24.30. So looking at the pre-market candles here, we see it's kind of staying glued with the VWAP, so it's nice constant formation here. And then this could be a tell in the pre-market here. We see this long wick in the beginning here, right before the market opens on this 15-minute candle. When typically this shows a price rejection, especially just going upwards here. So price rejection up top and then back down. So that could have been a little tell of the direction of the stock, how it's going to open. And so as we look at the open here on the 1 minute, let me fix the 5 minute here. Look at the 1 minute. We see no volume in the 1 minute. So it's very just small movements from 24.02 to 23.96. And then here, then the volume pops in the second minute here at 9:31. We got almost almost a million shares just drop. So that's also a very bearish signal. But as I'm practicing, I definitely love reverse ABCD patterns. At the time, I didn't know probably this was it. Only the one difference is usually reverse ABC patterns, the extension below VWAP and then retracement, if you will, and then right below VWAP. But here, it actually became false VWAP, false breakout here. So we see the breakdown. I took a long position here thinking with enough, the way it pivoted, I thought it had potential to break out, and I wanted to get in and have a nice stop loss, so I'd be really get out if it didn't go against my way. It did wick me out. I went long again, and then it came crashing down. I stopped out here. And then this was a signal of a bearish engulfing candle. So it kind of gave me confirmation once again, like it wasn't going long, it was going towards the downside. So I quickly in the next minute would have liked to seen a little better entry. I took a short around 23.68, added to my position at 23.63, then covered here at 23.46, and then around 23.41. And I held some shares left, but then it kind of popped back open, and I just covered at break even here, just so I locked in some profits. And that wasn't the point. It's just the trading strategy in itself. I didn't trade many shares, so the profit's really loose term in this case. Then I kind of saw just kind of hovering down below, kind of see what the next move is. So I really saw it was kind of not breaking VWAP. So once it kind of rejected here, I took a short position, covered. And then, in hindsight, I over-traded slightly. But then to see here a few kind of touches here in VWAP and just kind of really respecting, and the moving averages are kind of coming all parallel to each other. So I took another short position, a little larger size this time at around 23.66, covered 23.56, 23.46, 23.39, and then 23.37, excuse me. And then it's around 10 o'clock, and that's usually the time I got to kind of get back to work. So I could have ridden out some more and got down a little lower to around 23.10, which had been an excellent trade. So I definitely ended this last trade and did well. Here I did highlight some volume increase and this doji here and this candle rejecting and then pop back up and then finally broke down. So anyway, that's the only trade I did today. So it was a nice way to end the week. In terms of gross, I made some money, but in hindsight, I over-traded on my live account, so I was probably, I think I broke even, or I was down $1 today, which, like I said, it's not the point. The point is really just practice setups and reading the volume, price action, all of it, the level 2, the time and sales, and just trying to slowly just piece all together. But what I did notice was a reverse ABC pattern with a false VWAP breakout, and then break down further as you go down later on the line. But initially, just keep in mind that 15-minute pre-market candle long wick kind of may have given a tell of a potential breakdown and selling off the pre-markets gap up. So hope everyone has a nice weekend. The markets are closed on Monday, so we'll be back at it Tuesday, hopefully, depending if work permits. And I hope everyone enjoys a long weekend, and I'll talk to you later.